Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Audra, the marketing and content producer here at Sallie Tomato. And we're on day 18 of our 2024 Holiday Royale Advent Box. Today's item is a little something special to help you stay on top of the holidays and also stay organized going into the new year. Day 18. Organize your creative journey for all your upcoming projects. Use this helpful little tool to ensure a smooth and inspiring year of sewing ahead. We'd love to see how you use today's item. Use hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media. Here at Sallie Tomato, we love planners, and I can't emphasize love enough. We use them professionally, we use them personally, so we are super excited to include this item in this year's Advent Box. We've designed this planner for you to use to help ensure that you include some creative time in your day. I have my hands here to cover the special discount codes that are only for those that ordered the Advent Box. So if you didn't get the Advent Box, make sure to get on our newsletter for next year. This planner has specific sections to include your sewing focus for the day, your sewing goals for the day, and then also your general life to-do list items. And in our true Sallie Tomato fashion of our tagline, Create Confidently, we gave you a little area to doodle and dream and design for your next bag making adventures. We also like to be reflective, so we have a spot here to talk about what we learned or things that you might be grateful for. And then, as usual, a great schedule layout for every hour of your day. Don't forget to include sewing time. This planner is designed just for you, and we hope it helps you stay creatively organized. Please share and show us how you're using your planner to stay on your creative sewing goals. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our videos. And we hope that this helps you stay creatively organized through the rest of the year and well into 2025.